does YouTube TV work? A 2025 overview. In this video, I'm going to explain to you how YouTube TV work, and we're going to provide you with an overview.
So, to get started, YouTube TV is a live streaming television service that brings you cable channels over the internet. Instead of using a cable box, you stream everything through the YouTube TV app on your phone, tablet, smart TV, or browser. After subscribing, you get access to a dashboard with three main tabs: Home, Library, and Live. Home shows your recommendation, Lives give you traditional channel guide, and Library holds all of your recorded shows. What makes YouTube TV stand out is unlimited DVR storage. You can record any shows or sports event and it saves for up to 9 months. You can also create up to 6 profiles per household and stream on 3 devices at once. YouTube TV includes major networks like ABC, CBS, Fox, and ESPN, plus optional add-ons like HBO Max, NFL Sunday Ticket, and 4K Plus. Everything's cloud-based, so there's no hardware to install. Just log in and start watching. And that's how YouTube TV works in 2025.